Namaskar, my name is Resha and I welcome you all to Yogi Pathshala. So let's continue with the series of Shat Kriyas, the yogic system of body cleansing techniques. Last week we demonstrated Jal Neti, a variant of Neti to you, and this week we're gonna continue with the most advanced form of Neti, that is Sutra Neti, in detail. We're gonna demonstrate Sutra Neti, and towards the end we're gonna have do's and don'ts, and of course our expert comments. So let's start. For the demonstration model, we have Nidhi Sethi ma'am. She has participated in many national and international yoga competitions. Recently, she has bagged a gold at the national level for yoga.
Namaskar, my name is Nidhi. Today I am going to show how to do Sutra Neti.
So for Sutra Neti, we require boiled water, which we are going to bring it in the lukewarm form. We are going to pour that water in a bowl and we are going to dip our rubber catheter in it. Then we are going to add some salt to it, maybe half teaspoon, so that our catheter gets cleaned inside and from outside. We're going to dip our catheter properly, and then once it is cleaned, we can use our hands, and then we're going to insert the catheter from one nostril, and we're going to extract or pull the catheter from the hand. We're going to use our hand and pull it from the mouth. So this is one way that we are done with Sutra Neti. Again, we're going to dip it in the lukewarm water and salt. And we're going to repeat the same process. Insert it from the other nostril. And we're going to pull it from the mouth. Now, there may be times when the catheter is not coming out smoothly. So, we're not going to force it. There could be any reason as to why the catheter is not coming out. Now, this completes the Sutra Neti process. We're going to use the napkin to wipe the water that has been dripped. So once again, we have Neelavati ma'am in the house. As I have already told you, she is a yoga pandit and a yoga professor. She has already worked at Yoga Vidya Dham as a naturopathist doctor. She has judged, organized, and conducted many national and international yoga competitions. She has also been a secretary of Green Yoga and Naturopathy Trust, and of course a yoga coach and a team manager of Nandad Yoga Association. So here I welcome Neelavati ma'am once again. Ma'am, it's our honor to have you in the show. Ma'am, please tell us what are the benefits that we derive from Sutra Neti?
Hello. Thank you, Reshama. This is time for saying thank you once again. I must say it is an honor to be invited here again as an expert panel for sharing some advices with the yoga premies. Thank you. Thank you so much. Sutra Neti. Sutra Neti is an advanced practice of a Jala Neti. So, the benefits of Sutra Neti are as for the Jala Neti. In addition, however, the Sutra Neti can rectify the problem of deviated nasal septum. Also, if one or both nostrils are not flowing freely due to either a deformed bone or fleshy outgrowths, maybe these obstructions will be removed or disappear with the help of this regular practice of Sutra Neti. It helps to relieve allergies cold sinusitis, together with the various disorders of the eyes, ears and throat also. Most importantly, however, Sutraneti helps to awaken the Ajna Chakra, which is located at the epicenter.
We've made a new addition to the series, that is the do's and don'ts segment. In this segment, we're going to put up some common questions related to Sutraneti to our expert. And still, if there are more questions, our viewers can put it in the comment section and our experts will answer it accordingly.